So here we have a 2019 Chevrolet Z06. We're going to take this for a little drive today, have a little bit of fun with it. First, one thing I wanted to show you is one of the cool things about the vehicle. It has a power top. What it allows you to do is walk up to the vehicle and be able to put the top down using the remote of the vehicle. When you unlock it, push and hold it, what will happen is it's going to roll the windows down for us, and it's going to completely fold this top all the way down. It takes about 25 seconds or so for that to happen. That beep on the car just signaled that the vehicle is ready to go, top is secure, and nothing else needs to be done on that. It's get in and drive away. Right now we're driving it in track mode, which is going to give you the best response to the vehicle if you were driving it on a racetrack or back down a country road. It's going to give you the tightest steering with the magnetic ride control and also the tightest suspension on the vehicle.
Own these. Every day would be fun.